If you're looking for outdoor decor garage door decorations, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Top 10 Outdoor Decor Garage Door Decorations. Number 1, Most Popular, by Hit to Cart. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Litom. Number 3, by. For more details about these outdoor decor garage door decorations, just click this circle. Number 4, by Unomor. Number 5, by Collections etc. Find these outdoor decor garage door decorations at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6. Number 7, by DolGen. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by KNL Store. Number 9, by Manus. Discover more outdoor decor garage door decorations ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Impressive Decal Art.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.